so it's going to duck on the better coat.
In LA, you down low in the easy. And the lips that you kiss will say Christmas. Hear the mass that you travel the distance. To believe no lies. Dry your eyes and realize.
Welcome. Good deal.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, good morning. Okay, skipper. Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Everyone knows all about my direction. And in my heart somewhere, I wanna go there. Still I don't go there. Everybody says, say something, say something, say something, say something, say something, and say something. I don't wanna get caught up in the rhythm of it, but I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No, no. Caught up in the middle of it. No, I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No, no, no. Caught up in the rhythm of it. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't have. Looking for something I can't have. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't have. Everyone knows all about my transgression. Still in my heart somewhere, there's melody and harmony for you and me tonight.
It ain't New York City, and it ain't LA. We ain't got no rooftop bars like they do on Broadway. It's just a little town square, middle of nowhere. Ain't even big enough to be a map dot. We ain't got a lot, but we sure do a lot with a little bit that we got. We got a little something, something we can go on ice. Find us somewhere that we can drink it while the moon's up high. With your girl and your boys by a fire, making noise in a field on a Friday night. We got some George Strait songs that we turn up loud, living it up till the sun comes back. enough to be a map dive. We ain't got a lot, but we sure do a lot with the little bit that we got. We got a little something, something we can throw on ice. Find us somewhere that we can drink it while the moon's up high. With your girl and your boys by a fire, making noise in a field on a Friday night. We got some Tim McGraw songs that we turn up loud, living it up till the sun comes back around. Who said there's nothing to do? Who said there's nothing to do? Who said there's nothing to do? And it's nothing to do. My little nothing to do town.
And don't go too far.
All right.
People talking about what is and what ain't country. What gives them a right to wear a pair of beat-up boots?
That's what we're talking about.
Or your wild-ass buddies. Well, give me a minute, let me hit you with some hometown truth. You can be a cowboy on the Texas plain, or a plowboy waiting on the rain. We're all a little different, but we're all the same. Everybody doing their
Well done,
own
Davey.
thing. I got my dirt road cred when I was 12 on a no-cab tractor hauling in bales, backing in boats, fishing limb lines, running bird dogs through the Georgia pines. Step side covered down in peanut dust. Friday night spotlight, and that was us. It might not have been you, but I can't judge. Just be proud of what makes you country.
Have you come to Argentina before?
Never, no. Never.
First time.
Always wanted to come to Argentina, and finally got to do it. I like it. Love it. Great.
Did anything surprise you?
No, not really. Pretty much what I expected. Del gave us a lot of good, information up front.
Nice.
I visited the website. It's very nice. The food is very good. I would say the food surprised me how good it is.
Awesome. All right, buddy. I will see you later. Okay.
Okay, Pablo.
You have fun.
Thank
Great
you so
meeting
much.
you. Yeah, take
same
care.
Here.
How you doing?
We're having fun, lots of fun.
Good.
I miss lots of birds.
That's all right.
Had a Bible in his left hand and a bottle in the other. He said all you're really given is the sunshine in your name. We both started laughing when the sky started to rain. Get along, double down the road. We got a long, long way to go. Scared to live, scared to die. We ain't perfect, but we try. Get along while we can. Always give love the upper hand. Paint a wall, learn to dance. Call your mom, buy a boat, drink a beer, sing a song, make a friend. Can't we all get along? Saw a model on a billboard, 1-800 get to know me. Wondered was she photoshopped or were her eyes really that lonely? Did she leave her hometown thinking she'd end up in LA? Did she break down in the desert and get stuck beside the highway? Get along on down the road. We got a long, long way to go. Scared to live, scared to die. We ain't perfect, but we try. Get along while we can. Always give love the upper hand. Paint a wall, learn to dance. Call your mom, buy a boat, drink a beer, sing a song, make a friend. Can't we all get along?
die, the keys to heaven can't be bought. We still don't know what love is, but we sure know what it's not. Sometimes you got to get along on down the road. We got a long, long way to go. Scared to live, scared to die. We ain't perfect, but we try. Get along while we can. Always give love the upper hand. Paint a wall, learn to dance. Call your mom, buy a boat, drink a beer, sing a song. Make a friend, can't we all get along?
Got down.
Got a little southern drawl in my talk, a little pickup truck on my highway, got a little boot stomp in my walk, little neon light in my Friday, got some Tennessee and
Great job,
whiskey. Raise a cup up if you with me. I was raised on
Is your first time in Argentina?
Yes, yeah. Just being with this guy here, this Richard here,
Richard,
that's fun.
the man.
That's fun.
What is it that you enjoy the most?
Well, I couldn't tell you everything. Everything. Not one thing. It's all good.
Nice.
I really like the architectural of the buildings. You know, the old nostalgia that you get with it. Just beautiful stuff. Real old. You don't get to see that back home, you know.
Yeah.
Hmm. I appreciate that, the old architectural stuff, you know. Yeah, well, they tell me it's like 300 years old,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Yep.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Yes, it is. And I bet them walls could tell lots of stories, don't you think?
I bet. A lot of, yeah.
What I like best about this is simply everything. Especially you guys, you know? You're the best. Yeah.
Old buddies.
Yeah. That was my next door neighbor. And he's been here lots of times.
You don't get to pick your neighbors, huh?
Yeah. You got to hang around with the right guys.
Okay, Gary, I will see you later, all right?
Thank you very
Great
much.
to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Here come the ducks, hit the high baller. Shut up the dog, stare at the water.
Oh, nice. In the tree.
I'll say when, hold on, y'all wait. Get 'em boys, boom, 12 gauge. Out in the mud down in Mississippi. A mallard duck, yeah, that's what gets me. Shooting this steel cause I can't shoot lead.
Out there.
But I don't miss, I just knock 'em in the head in the duck blind, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Rowboat duck in the middle of the spread, got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread in the duck blind. I remember now when I was 14, a little wood duck hole, my friends and me. They were whistling Dixie coming through the trees. 12 gauge sound like a M16 in the duck line, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Rowboat duck in the middle of the spread, got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread in the duck line. In the duck line. Well, last year we had a bumper crop when them white oak acorns started to drop. So many I twisted my ankle walking through the stand. Everywhere you look was a sweet persimmon. Big around as a Florida lemon. Was a whitetail grocery store all over the land. But This spring during turkey season, Jack Frost came and he went to freezing everything with a bumblebee, a bud and a bloom. Then summer came and there weren't no rain. Everybody said what a crying shame, and the DNR predicted deer season was doomed. Well, me and my buddies, we got to thinking, sitting around one night drinking, how we gonna fill up our deer tags? Then a light went off and I started to grin. I remembered about my big grain bin. We started filling up 50-pound bags of them yellow acorns. They're worth their weight in gold. I'm gonna have more meat than my old deep freeze can hold. With all them yellow acorns, you have them eating from your hand. Just gonna get yourself busted by the man. Tell them, Dallas.
Yeah, we filled us up a dump truck load, and the farm looked like the yellow brick road. There ain't this much corn in Nebraska, Illinois. Then a monster buck, he comes down around, about to lay that old hammer down when I heard a voice say, "Get down from there, boy." Well, I showed the warden my warning sign that I posted up on my property line. It said, "This here corn is to feed the birds and the squirrels, all right?" It really let me make just one thing clear. Any deer caught feeding here is trespassing and will be shot on sight. And then he slipped them cuffs around my arms.
Got to show it to my duck hunting buddies up in Michigan.
Took my cold beer. Now the only deer that I see is on TV and in the magazines, and I learned my lesson. Now I'm steering clear of them yellow acorns. They'll land your butt in jail. This orange jumpsuit ain't worth an old white tail. Swole neck stinking thing. Yellow acorns will have them eating from your hands. Just don't get yourself busted by the man.
Because I don't have a sight on the end of my barrel.
Okay, that will be your excuse.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's my buddy.
Mr. Del Ruth.
And Ramon.
And Ramon.
Thank you. The best guy, the best bird boy in Argentina.
Thank you, sir.
He's not a boy though. Bird man. Bird man.
That's right.
Baby Ruth. He has his own chocolate.
Never worry about the price of gas. I've been wheeling and dealing.
Baby Ruth. In Montaraz. Perfect.
Fishing, loving every day. That's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting and fishing and loving every day. Early in the morning.
Brucey, you don't know what you're missing, Brucey.
Fishing and loving every day. I'd get a little farm pond buzz, sound of gravel when I'm backing up, pulling a string on a 9.9 two-stroke Murphy. I love it when my baby wants to roll with me, throws her boots on, climbs in a tree, tucking her hair in my hat and she's ready to go. And we get to hunting, fishing, loving every day. That's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting and fishing and loving every day. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I'm getting red dirt rich and Flint River paid. Hunting and fishing and loving every day.
Yeah, come on, Eduardo. Come on, jump in here.
All right, let me hear Argentina.
Argentina.
Lovely. Got it. Thank you.